Vanakkam friends, once again we are going to see the opening view for today. I'm sorry I'm not able to do this as a write up in the morning. Okay, maybe bear with me for another couple of days. Whenever time permits, I will go back to the writing mode and I will write everything in detail to you. But as of now, for today, we will discuss about the opening view. So how we are expecting markets to perform. So let's see Nifty charts. Yesterday, like we discussed, Nifty has taken support exactly at the Friday's low, which is 16,478. See the low 16,478.65. So it has taken exactly support and it climbed a bit higher. The moment he is not able to break that previous low, which is missed by 30 paise, I was very confident that Nifty is set to move at least for 100 or 150 points. That is why I have posted a message in yesterday's session, in between yesterday's session, saying that whether you are long or not, that doesn't matter, but don't be short in this market. Why? Because this was the setup. If that is market is going to fall, means it would not have respected that particular low. It would have broken that particular low and it has it would have even went to touch the Monday low of 16,356, but it doesn't happen. So that's the reason I got a bit confident on my analysis and I said I thought of alerting you people if you are short. It worked nicely. We said 100 points up move and it exactly made 100 points up move from the place where we have suggested. So now for today, again that 16,478 mark will be the first support. We will find hard to break it. On the other hand, a resistance will come at 16,815 as per charts. But today it is weekly expiry day. On weekly expiry days, most of the time I will not rely on charts. I will go purely with the open interest. Okay. So now let's see where the highest open interest is in call side. So in call side, this is the this week data and see the highest open interest is available at 17,000 strike. So the 17,000 strike is the one we are having highest open interest. Okay. So in this case, just a moment, I will open that option chain. Okay. 17,000 strike is the one which has highest open interest. So it is nearly 400 points from here right now. So that will be the major resistance to break. And then the one before that, in between the 17,000 and the current market price, which is 16,614, we have highest open interest at 16,000 strike. So sorry, 16,700 strike. Now 16,700 plus whatever the close price of 16,700 strike. 16,700 strike closed at 89 rupees, which means 16,700 plus 89 points will be the immediate resistance, which means 16,789 will be the immediate resistance for today. Even if there is very good news also, we can bears will try to defend this particular level. Okay, if and only we cross that particular level and sustains, means we will be able to see a move towards 17,000, but that is a very very rare possibility as of present scenario. Okay, so this is Nifty all about, and the first support comes at yesterday's low, which is 16,478. So just mark the levels, and today I am not going to suggest any calls in our YouTube video, as it is expiry day. We will post live calls whenever we get good opportunities. Now we will move on to the Bank Nifty chart. Again, I have opened the daily chart of Bank Nifty. It's yesterday itself we have seen that Bank Nifty seriously underperformed Nifty. At one stage, I have even posted Nifty is down 1.6%, whereas Bank Nifty is down 3.6%. So it continued throughout the day, and we ended in outperformance on the downside by Bank Nifty. Okay, like we expected, the previous 3 days low, it has taken support over there and it has climbed. But today it will be a tricky day for us. If this particular low holds, we might see even Bank Nifty outperforming Nifty today. Why I am saying this is because of the ADR performance from HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. If you see what the ADR performance of HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank last night, both closed in red yesterday in our markets, whereas in ADR US markets, it has closed 1.89% and 1.42% in green, which if this move alone reflects here 1.89 and 1.42, it will easily contribute 300 points for Bank Nifty. Easily, very easily contribute 300 to 350 points for Bank Nifty. But we don't know how it is going to perform. It is a rough and weird as well as wild guess as of now, that I am expecting Bank Nifty could outperform Nifty today if this particular low holds. What is the low? 34,897. If this particular low holds, we may see Bank Nifty outperforming Nifty today, and there are very good chances that yesterday high could be crossed. Look at the high yesterday, almost very close to the fancy number which I always suggest in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. 35555. The high yesterday is 35553.7, which is 1.3 points away from the number. If yesterday's low is respected and Bank Nifty is able to take out 35555, definitely we have a very good chance of Bank Nifty showing 36,000 today. At present, it might be weird, but as things progress, it will happen. I am just trusting. You very well know, you all people very well know that I trust HDFC Bank in as anything than the other 49 components of Nifty. So let's see how it functions. But on the other hand, if HDFC Bank is not holding at higher levels, then it will be very tough for Bank Nifty to sustain at higher levels, because FIIs are keeping on selling HDFC Group stocks for quite some time. Most probably today's rally could also be sold out tomorrow, but today being expiry day, they will try to keep it on the higher side to have the Bank Nifty on the higher side. So this is the view for today. During market hours, I will try to post some calls if we get right and good opportunities. And once again saying, we need to be cautious in this kind of market when VIX is way above 25. Actually, VIX above 17 itself is dangerous. But imagine what is 25, and as of now we are at 29. Last night itself we have posted saying that even not even last night, last evening before market closing itself, we have said that don't get shocked if you see a gap up opening tomorrow. That was our statement, and it is clearly reflecting as of now. We are seeing a 50 to 60 point gap up opening. Things could change in next 15 or 20 minutes based on the real move of the HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. If these two are opening straight away 1% above, means definitely the gap up opening will be beyond 55 or 60 points. It will be somewhere near 80, 90 points kind of stuff. So newcomers, subscribe our channel and stay tuned. I will add our Telegram channel links in the description of this video. Please join our Telegram channels as well, wherein we will be active throughout the day during market hours. And to add on, as I said earlier, we are planning to go live in YouTube. I am trying to practice it for some time, and we will go live in next couple of weeks time. I have fixed the date, but I will reveal the date later. In between, if you see any notifications saying that we are live in YouTube, I request everybody to just participate in that live session if you have time, and try to ask one or two queries in the message box, so that I will also get familiar on answering those queries. Once I am familiar, we will go live as earlier as possible. I have fixed a date in April. So in next 1 month time, most probably we will be going live every day whenever time permits. Have a good day, friends. See you all. Bye.